Hi, in this video, I am going to show you on how DocuClipper transaction categorization works. So this feature allows you to define categories and automatically categorize transaction based on keywords. This can help you organize and analyze your transaction data. So to start, we are going to navigate to this feature. As you can see, there is an analyze/categorize on the left top corner of the summary table beside reconcile. Now, if you're unable to see this tab, this is because this feature is only available for professional, business, and enterprise plans. So after uploading your bank statement, you can just go ahead and navigate to this tab, click on it, and it should show you a summary table of all the transactions found on your statement and a table here which will show you the category and the total amount of that category group. So DocuClipper already has a default category which you can use. If you want to check this default categories, click on configure and you can see here savings, investment, healthcare, insurance premiums, transportation. Now, if this category is already good, you can just close on it and click on categorize. You would know that the categorization worked because it will show you a banner here that says categorization successful, and it will also update the table on this side. It will show you the total amount on the transactions where the transactions are being categorized. So here in this table, you can check what are the uncategorized transactions, and you can also check what are these transactions under the insurance premium. Let's see here. So these are automatically under the insurance because of the category insurance being on it. Let's try and updating the uncategorized transactions here. So here, if you think that this includes in the insurance premium, which is already there, you can just click on the pencil and then add it in the insurance premium, and this will automatically categorize under the insurance premium. But we can definitely update this to be added properly on a keyword that you would like by going to the configure tab, and we can edit the categories here. So let's see. We can add maintenance here. Maintenance. Click enter. We can also add utility. Enter. And then there was a pre-authorized, let's see, pre-authorized credit under savings. And then also let's just do deposit. Okay. Let's see if this works. Let's close this table and hit categorize. Okay, now it worked. You can see that this table here has added the ones that we updated, the savings and investment and the bills and utilities. So let's see here. So the ones that I added under the pre-authorized credit has been tagged already as savings and investment, including deposit, and the ones with utilities and management as their default categories has been added in the bills and utilities. Here it says maintenance. Okay, so that's how you update the categorization in DocuClipper. Next, I am going to show you how to add a new categorization. So if you do not want to use the default part, you can just add a new category group. Let's just call this a test, test category. hit add new category. And this category will then show up here. Make sure that it's there. We can just go there. And then we can configure it, start adding all the things. So by adding the categories, we can just go ahead and add the category group. Let's say we want paid checks, add, and then we can also say deposit, and we can add the maintenance. Sorry, let's just delete that. And then update deposit. And then here you can just delete this one. It's automatic. And we can add here the utilities. Hit enter. Maintenance. And add a deposit. Can add here pre-authorized credit. And then maybe word savings or the word deposit. Really depends on you. Let's close this one. Now, if we want to use this test category, we have to make sure that this is what we selected here on this drop down, and then click on categorize. Okay, this actually worked. So the deposit here, you can see all the words with the category deposit goes to that specific category, and the end categorized, these are all paid checks where we did not add. Now, if you want that added, you can just go ahead and hit configure again. Now, if you would like to have the total Excel for these categorization total amount, you can click on export. Here it will show you what is under this table. So if you only want the categorization total, it will give you all the categories total here. And then at the same time, let's not save it. If you want to export all these transactions for, easy to look, or if you need this separately, you can also just download and export it to CSV. Right? I hope this helps. And that's how the categorization works in DocuClipper.